So this is the question and these are the options: acoustics, acronyms, keyboard system, clustering. I'm gonna explain you each and every one of them in order to help you to make an informed guess of what might be the answer. The term device, also referred as a technique or a system or a method, also a tool. What is acoustics? The term is derived from Greek acoustos, meaning heard. Acoustics is a branch of physics that deals with the study of mechanical waves in gases, liquids, and solids, including topics such as vibration, sound, ultrasound, and infrasound. And this branch of physics is especially concerned with the production, control, transmission, reception, and effects of sound. Alright, let's see what is mnemonic. Basically, it's a system which includes pattern of letters, ideas, or associations which assist us in remembering something. Alright, now let's learn more about it. Acronym. What is acronym? It's often used as a mnemonic device, and you see it's an abbreviation formed from the initial letters of different words and pronounced as a singular word. Let me give you more examples in order to make you clearly understand. AIDS, acute immunodeficiency syndrome, ASAP, as soon as possible, AWOL, absent without official leave, IMAX, image maximum, laser, light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. Wow. PIN, personal identification number, radar, radio detection and ranging. And also this valuable technique helps us to memorize difficult large terminology into cooler terms. You gotta admit it, they are so cool. Alright, next one, the keyword method. It is also a mnemonic device. This keyword method is a valuable technique used to memorize the meaning behind vocabulary words. In simpler terms, you pick out the keywords in a particular sentence or a definition and you visualize that keywords and form those into a story in order to remember the whole thing that you just memorized. Let me give you an awesome example. I have to remember 9 hallmark symptoms of depression, and these are the hallmark symptoms. Also, if you are curious about these 9 hallmark symptoms of depression, we made a wonderful standard informational video. Check it out, it's in the description. Now, let's get to the point. Now, I just picked out the keywords and formed into a story, and this is how it sounds like. Ready? A boy got anhedonia suddenly. He walks to the bed and he slept like hell without hunger, and he gained weight, and he woke up with no memory and felt no energy to move, and he felt worthless about that, and he killed himself. End of the story. I know, this story is bizarre and creepy, but that's the whole point of it. In order to make your memory strong, it has to be bizarre, creepy, so that you might have more emotional component to it. Alright, next one. Clustering. What is clustering? It's a small, close group which identifies similarities between objects. Simple. And these groups are known as clusters. Okay, let me give you some simple example. Dog, cat, cow, fox, rabbit, whale, fish, crab, lion, tiger. So, how do you form the cluster? If you are focusing on domestic animals, dog, cat, cow, rabbit. Or if you are focusing on wild animals, the cluster will be fox, lion, tiger. Okay. If you are focusing on aquatic animals or species, whale, fish, crab. So, cluster 1, domestic animals. Cluster 2, wild animals. Cluster 3, aquatic animals. Got it? Good. So, cluster is the group which identifies similarities between objects. Simple. Now, by knowing all this, let's take an educated guess. Which device is using different letters of a word? Come on, you know it. Okay, let me give you a clue. Different initial letters to form a new word. Exactly. Acronyms. Very good. You have completed the second question, and I'm proud of you. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Do it once, do it right. So if you think this is slow, think again.